हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन ग्रीन्स थ्योरम। सो ग्रीन्स थ्योरम इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट theorem in the vector calculus which convert from line integral to surface integral. So I can write here line integral to surface integral. Now the statement of this theorem, let R be a region, let R be a region bounded by curve C. Let R be a region bounded by curve C. Let this is the R and this is the curve C. Curve C. Let Pxy and Qxy and its derivative, partial derivative, because it is a function of two variables, and its partial derivative mainly we need the del q by del x and del p by del y be continuous on the region R. So p and q and its derivative, partial derivative, del q by del x, del p by del y be continuous in the region R, then the line integral along the curve C, p dx plus q dy equal to surface integral del q by del x minus del p by del y dx dy along the region R. So this is your line integral p dx plus q dy. So this is equal to del q by del x minus del p by del y surface integral over the region R. So this is a statement of Green's theorem. The question is, verify Green's theorem. Line integral xy plus y square dx plus x square dy over the curve C, where C is the bounded by y equal to line x and y equal to x square. So we need to verify the Green's theorem. It means we need to find out the line integral and surface integral, and the both should be equal. That is the Green's theorem. So let us see first what is the your given curve. So given curve is, given region is here, first line y equal to x and parabola x square equal to y. So this will be something like this. Okay, so this curve is, you can see, y equal to x square, and this curve is y equal to x. So here two curve we have, C1, C2. We'll go for anti-clockwise. So, okay, so this is a point P. Let us have point P or some A point. Coordinate will have 1 1. This is a 0 0. So this is the given curve. So line integral will be integral C xy plus y square ds plus x square dy. So this will be equal to integral C1 along the curve plus integral C2. Okay, so let us have along C1. Along C1 will be, so y equal to x square, fine. So dy will be 2x dx. y equal to x square, so dy equal to 2x dx. So this your line integral will be, it will convert in the x, so x into y means x square, so x square plus y square means x power 4 dx plus x square, and dy means 2x dx. So this will convert in the single variable x, and x limit will be, you can see here, from 0 to 1, 0 to 1. So we can have now 0 to 1 x cube here, and here 2x cube, so 3x cube plus x power 4 dx. So this will be 3x power 4 by 4 plus x power 5 by 5, 0 to 1. So this will be 3 by 4 plus 1 by 5. So if you add, we get the 19 by 20. So this is along C1. Let us see along the C2. Along C2, we can see your curve is y equal to x, and limit vary from 1 to 0. 1 to 0, because we are moving from C1, C2 anti-clockwise. So 1 to 0. So your along C2 will have y equal to x, dy equal to dx, and your x limit will be from 1 to 0. So integral 1 to 0 and xy. So xy will be x square plus y square. Y square means x square, and dx will take common, and x square dx. So this will be minus 0 to 1 2x square dx, 3x square dx. So this will be minus, if you integrate, we get 3 by minus 3 by, so we get 1 by 3, so minus 1. So finally the line integral will be line integral c1 plus integral c2. So we have 19 by 20 minus 1, so we get the answer minus 1 by 20. So this is your line integral along the c1 and c2. Let us see what is the surface integral. So now for this integral, your p will be xy plus y square, and qb will be x square. Fine. So according to Green's theorem, so this will convert in the surface integral, and del q by del x minus del p by del y dy dx. So this will be del q by del x means 2x will come, right? 2x minus del p by del y means this will come x plus 2y dy dx. So it will come, so we get double integral x minus 2y dy dx, x minus 2y dy dx. Now we take the limit of y. So for y limit, what we should do, you have to draw one line parallel to y axis. So your lower limit will be parabola, upper limit will be line. So on the parabola, what is the y? That is x square. And the line, what is the y? That is the x. So x square equal to x, first limit, and x limit will be 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Okay. So if you integrate, so we get 0 to 1, and integration with respect to y, so we get xy minus y square limit from x square to x and dx. So this equal to integral 0 to 1. If you simplify, so we get x power 4 minus x power 3 dx, and you put the limit, means we get minus 1 by 20. So the line integral answer was minus 1 by 20, and the surface integral answer will be minus 1 by 20. So Green's theorem verified here. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.